Good morning. My name is Shreya. Today we are going to learn a new and interesting topic in maths, triangle and its property. Do you know what is a triangle? A triangle is a closed figure made up of three line segments. It has three sides, three vertices and three angles. A triangle can be classified on the basis of its sides and angle. So let us learn the different types of triangle based on the length of its sides. Types of triangle: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Today we are going to learn about equilateral triangle. This is a triangle. It has three sides. These are the sides. Also it has three corners. We call these corners as the vertices. This is vertex A, this is vertex B and this is vertex C. So we can call this triangle as a triangle ABC. These are the line segments. This is segment AB, segment BC and segment CA. We can say that triangle ABC is made up of line segment AB, segment BC and segment CA. If we measure all the three sides of the triangle, they all are equal. This type of triangle is called as a equilateral triangle. So we can say that segment AB equals to segment BC equals to segment CA. If we measure all the angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, they all are equal. Hence, this type of triangle is called as a equiangular triangle. Therefore, in equilateral triangle, all sides and angles are equal. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome to the science class Little School at Home. Today we are going to learn a new topic named modes of nutrition in plants. We all know that we get green vegetables from plants, fruit from trees, for example mango, apple, oranges, etc. Let us move towards our today's concept time 1. All living organisms need food in order to survive. The food we eat gives us many nutrients. For example, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and fibers. There are two types of nutrients. They are autotrophic and heterotrophic. The definition of autotrophic is the organisms which prepare their own food. For example, plants. The definition of heterotrophic is the organisms which depend on other organisms for food. For example, animals, etc. That's what for today's class. We will meet with the tomorrow with the another concept. Till then, bye and happy learning.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Today I am going to speak on a topic Malala Yousafzai. Do you know who is Malala Yousafzai?
No, sir.
Then I will tell who is Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai is an activist person who is also known as a woman advocacy and he was also held by a Nobel Prize. She was born in Mangora Valley in 1997. One day she was seeing a news and she seen that Taliban came in her country and banned all schools to going from girls. Then next she went to BBC. BBC means British Broadcasting. She went in news and she told for Taliban that why you banned our school, and she told that we are stronger than fear. After that, listening that Taliban become so angry that he became so angry. And one day Malala was going with her friends in school bus and suddenly school bus stopped. All was curious why school bus stopped. School bus and that happened that Taliban came in school bus and asked who is Malala, who is Malala, who is Malala. All were feared from Taliban, who is Malala, who is Malala. Then all her friend did direction near Malala. Then she not fear, she told that I am stronger than fear, and Taliban took his gun and shot it to his main point of her head. After that she fall down and her blood was going like a river. After that she was held to a hospital in Pakistan. After that she went to after his discharge she went to England to do his study full, and after his study she was called to a prize award advocation, and she held a Nobel Prize of Advocacy, and she was also known as a woman advocacy. Thank you.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Yesterday we have started a new topic, that is nutrition in animals. In that we have learned about different ways of taking food like sucking, feeding and swallowing. In today's class we are going to learn about digestion in humans. Students, do you know from where we eat food?
Yes, mouth.
Yes, correct. Have you ever wondered that what happened to the food inside our body?
No.
So, students, look at this picture. The food passes through a continuous channel which starts from buccal cavity and ends at rectum. This is a buccal cavity and here is the rectum. The parts of canal can be divided into various compartments like buccal cavity, liver, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. Associative glands are salivary glands, gallbladder, pancreas. Students, it is not a very long part. Together, the parts of canal together form our alimentary canal, which is also called as digestive tract. The digestive tract and aliment and associative glands together are called digestive system. Students, tell me what are the parts of digestive system?
Sir, buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, rectum and anus.
Students, tell me which are the parts of associative glands?
Salivary gland, liver, gallbladder, pancreas.
Correct. They are the associative glands. So students, today's homework is what are the parts of canal that can be divided into various compartments. Thank you.
Hi students, my name is Pradwal Pujari. Today we are going to learn about teeth. What is a teeth? Teeth is a tool of our body that plays an important role in cutting and tearing the food mechanically. Children between 6 months to 8 years have 20 temporary teeth. These are known as milk teeth. These milk teeth are replaced by 32 permanent teeth after 8 years. There are 4 parts of teeth in our body. First is incisors, then canine, third one premolars and last is molars. First is incisors. Incisors have edges that is used to cut and bite the food into smaller pieces. And second one is canine. They have sharp edges that is used to tear the flesh easily. The third one is premolars. These have flat surfaces which are used to crush the food into pieces. And the last one is molars. These have broad and flat surfaces which is used in crushing, grinding and chewing the food into smaller pieces. So children, these are the 4 types of teeth. Children, please copy down the diagram and write down the information also. And please revise the concept and again. Thank you.
Welcome to the online history class. Today we are going to learn first lesson of history, that is tracing changes throughout thousands of years. Before learning this lesson, there should be workbook, supplementary book and textbook with you all the time. So students, let us learn today new and old terminologies. Let us read these 3 points. There were many scribes in medieval period. Each scribe's meanings and languages were different. So, in the medieval and modern periods, the languages and meanings of words were different. In medieval period, there were many scribes who were writing manuscripts and inscriptions. Each scribe's languages and meanings of words were different. They were writing in different meaning and different languages. So, in medieval period, the meanings of words and languages were changed. Like that only, in modern period, step by step, the meanings of words and languages and also vocabulary was changed. So students, today we have learned new and old terminologies. Today's your homework is to read page number 3 of NCERT book. Bye. Happy learning.
Welcome to Lead School Civics class. Yesterday we learned about humans can change the world. Every time take the NCERT book, supplementary book and notebook with you at all time required. Today we are going to learn about the previous chapter we saw how women's work in home is not recognized as work. We also read during household works and taking care of the family, not sacrificing hours of work outside the home, and understand how some occupations are seen to more suitable for men than from women. We will also learn about how women suggest for equal getting an opportunity were created from women. This chapter we also track the different types of efforts made by women's movement to change discrimination more recent years. Today's homework is that we have to do exercise of NCERT books 46 page number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Shanik Manwadkar and I am studying in standard 7. Today I am going to teach you possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are a type of personal pronouns which are used to refer to something owned by an speaker or someone who has been previously mentioned. Possessive pronouns are classified into first person, second person and third person and their singular plus plural. So let's see about first person. The singular form of first person is mine. The plural form of first person is ours. The singular plus plural form of second person is yours. The third person has been classified into four types: masculine, feminine, neutral and all genders. So let's see masculine. Masculine is male. The singular form of masculine is his. Let's see second. Feminine is female. The singular form of feminine is hers. Third, neutral. Neutral is referred for things and animals such as dogs and cats. The singular form for neutral is its. And the fourth is all genders, which covers masculine, feminine and neutral. The singular form for all genders is there. And the plural form for all these four types covered in third person is there. Thank you for watching my video.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Children, what is this? This is sanitizer. We have to use on hand. So, children, my name is Indresh Yanin More. I am your new history teacher. So, today we have to start a new lesson. Lesson name is the Delhi Sultanate. So, these are some points related to the lesson. Listening. Persian was the language of administration under the Delhi Sultanate. In Delhi Sultanate, they were communicated by the language named Persian. Delhi first became the capital of the kingdom under the Tomar Rajput. Which Rajput?
Sir, Tomar Rajput.
Okay. Tomar Rajput were defeated by the Chauhans in the middle of 12th century. Which century?
12th century.
Okay. Many rich merchants lived in the city and construct many temples. The Delhi Sultanate built many cities in the area that now known as Delhi. So, which language was used?
Persian. Persian, sir.
Okay, good. What
Sir Anil.
Okay, Anil, good. So, Eddie was clear, no doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today's homework is to read these lessons and solve page number 22. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Hello students, welcome to the online maths class at Lead School at Home. Today we are going to cover day 1 of unit 1 lesson fractions and decimals. Today we are going to learn about fractions. So now we will learn converting fractions into mixed fraction. This is an example of mixed fraction. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. And the denominator remains same as it is 2. Then I have set an example for you. Start. 7 fours are 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. 30 upon 7. The denominator remains as it is. But now we are at main point. How to convert the fraction into mixed fraction. This is our question 9 upon 5. This 9 upon 5 we are going to convert into mixed fraction. I have did it from first. This is our answer. Now I am going to only explain you how I have did it. Then this 9 upon 5 we should divide. Then 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5. Then this is less than 9. Then it fits here. Start. Then 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. This is our reminder. This is our question. Then this reminder will fit at this first place. Then our question will remain at sidewards, and this 5 is denominator. Then it will remain at same place.
Hello everyone, I am Misha Chauhan. Today I am going to explain exponents and powers. Let us see from introduction. For example, mass of the earth is 5970 and more than 18 zeros. It is very difficult to read and understand. For example, by using exponents, we can write larger number in the shorter form. For example, 10,000 is equal to 10 into 10, 10 into 10, 10 into 10 is equal to 10 to the power 4. Let us see laws of exponents. Laws: multiply powers with same base. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Dividing powers with the same base. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power 1. Taking power of a power. A to the power m to the n and a to the power m n. 2 to the power 3 to the 2 is equal to 2 to the power 6. Multiplying powers with same exponents. A to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab into the power m. Dividing powers with same exponents. A to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m. Thank you.
Welcome to Lead School Parent App. Today we are going to learn Chapter 5. Women's Change the World of Civics. Always keep your notebook, textbook, workbook and supplementary book with you always. It should be there. In this previous class, we have saw the women's work in the home is not recognized as work. We have also read the how doing household works and taking care of all family members and job of women. There are no specific tasks of which it begins or ends. The occupations are the seen to be more suitable for the education was it still one way in which new opportunities which were created for women. This chapter
will also briefly trace on different types of efforts made by women's movements to challenge discrimination in the more recent years. Many girls and women does not get many supports and engineers is most family. When girls finish school, they are encouraged by their families to see marriage as their main aim. So students, your homework is draw images of the farmer, factory worker, nurse, scientist, pilot and tractor. Do this homework in this time. Thank you.
Morning students, welcome to online Elka Lead School at Home. Today we will start a new topic. This topic is about a great person and founder of Singapore country, and his name is Lee Kuan Yew. So have to practice this name. Lee Kuan Yew. Lee Kuan Yew. What it spells? Lee. L-E-E Lee. L-E-E Lee. Kuan. C-A-U-N. Kuan. C-A-U-N. Kuan. Yew. Y-E-W-U. Y-E-W-U. Lee Kuan Yew. Lee Kuan Yew. Now note down in your notebooks in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay, so now we start this topic. You have all opened your SR17. I will read a lesson. Keep the finger on it. Open in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. All of you open the SR17. Now I will start to read. Keep the finger on it. Singapore, a small island nation, were ruled by other country. It got separated from Malaysia and got independent in 1965. Singapore did not have many natural resources. So how did it become one of the world's powerful country? The source of Singapore is due to the often of Lee Kuan Yew. He is often called the founding father of Singapore. Lee Kuan Yew became a country's first prime minister. He was in office from 1965 to 1990. From 25 years, he was the prime minister. So what did he do? Or transferred Singapore to advanced nation. Singapore is a port, a place where shipping activities take place. Lee used this as activities for Singapore. The port was used for many trading activities. He made a good policies which got other countries to do business with Singapore. He provided housing and employment to his own people. Many people think that Lee's style of working was too controlling. He had no strict control over the press. He did not allow much freedom of speech. He took all the decisions and did not allow to crop presides. In an interview, Lee Kuan Yew said, "You are entitled to call me wherever you like, but that doesn't make me one. Do I need to be the doctor when I can win hand down?" He made Singapore a country where there is a system and order. Lee Kuan Yew is rightly called the man who controlled Singapore. He he is he is considered the antithesis of modern Singapore. He was a great world leader. He did not he died at he died at the age of 91 2015. Now I will ask you some questions and I will give you time for it. All of you open your notebook within 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I will give you 10 seconds to note down the questions and tomorrow we will check the questions. When the Singapore got independent, I will give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You completed questions? Now let's ask you second question. Which country controlled Singapore? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Today check this much only. 2 questions are there. Tomorrow we will check it. Bye students. Happy learning. Bye.
Students, welcome to online math class at Lead School at Home. Today we are going to learn fraction. You will attend online class and doing the homework that day, and you will check your answer following day. I have learned about fraction in earlier grades. Those numbers which represent parts of whole. As whole is divided into equal parts, fraction shows a number of parts in certain size. I have drawn this circle and made 4 equal parts. I want to show this part of circle. That time we will use fraction, and this part is called 1/4 of the circle. Second example is I drawn this rectangle and made 5 equal parts. I want to show these 2 parts of rectangle, so I will call 2/5 of the rectangle. There are different types of fraction such as proper fraction, improper, and equivalent fraction. Bye, revise this concept, and bye, happy learning.
Myself Snehal Sunil Kumbar from Standard 7. My school name is SARVODAYA VIVEK JEEVAN Vidya Public School. Good morning students. Good morning Miss. Students, today we are going to learn uneven heating of land and water. So students, I have drawn here 2 pictures. First picture is of day and second picture is of night. Here, can you tell me the difference of these 2 pictures? Wait, I will tell you. Land is warmer. In day, land is warmer. And in night, land is cooler. Day, sea is cooler. But in night, sea is warmer. The arrows from the day, warm air will pass to the sea and cool sea breeze will pass to the land. But in the night, cool sea breeze will pass to the sea and warm air will pass to the air. So now open your SR12 unit 2. Okay. Uneven heating of land and water. In summer or not, on hot days, land heats up faster than seas and ocean. So the temperature of the air over land becomes higher than the temperature of the air over the sea. What is the meaning of this paragraph? The summer or the hot, when days will be there, that time it will turn more fast. Okay, you understood all of this? So today your homework is to read SR12. Page number 46, unit 2. Bye students, happy learning. Bye miss.